boarding passes. One last time, please. Thank you. Good afternoon. Should be ma'am.
Hi.
Second to the last.
Yeah.
Left side. Yes, straight.
Siya ngayon si in-coach sa likod. Nakasalamin.
Yung boxer.
Yan yung boxer nakasalamin.
Si coaching na sa likod.
All the way there pa. Nakasalamin.
Kaya chinek pang negative.
Hi, mabuhay.
Good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Mr. Marlon.
Hello.
Tara.
Mabuhay.
Hi. Thank you so much, Sir.
Welcome on board. Mabuhay. Hello. We'll check your boarding passes.
Thank
One
you
last
so
time, please.
much. Mabuhay. Thank you. Mabuhay. Thank you, just one. Hi, mabuhay.
Coach, welcome on board,
Mr.
Coach.
Arlos, window seat for you.
Welcome on board.
Mabuhay.